Once in a city, there was a boy. He was very hardworking and smart. He once walked into a grocery shop and telephoned to a certain company to ask about a job as an office boy. He was told the job has been filled a week ago. Is the boy you have is satisfactory? He asked. Very satisfactory was the answer by the company. The boy put the telephone down and cut the call. He had big smile on his face. The store owner who heard the conversation was puzzled. If the job is filled, how come you are so happy? He inquired. The boy's reply stunned the store owner. The boy said, "Oh, I was just checking up. You see, I am the office boy they employed a week ago. It is better to have a regular checkup on one's performance for further improvement. We should always put best efforts in our jobs. Always do your work in your best way. By doing this, you will never be replaced anywhere." This is Wisdom Arc. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.